What is Xigduo XR? Dapagliflozin/metformin. Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin, is a prescription medication designed to help manage type 2 diabetes in adults and children aged 10 years and older. It combines two well-studied medicines, dapagliflozin, an SGLT2 inhibitor, and metformin, a biguanide, to provide effective, long-term blood sugar control when used alongside a healthy diet and regular exercise. Beyond improving blood sugar levels, the dapagliflozin component in Xigduo XR can also help reduce the risk of worsening heart failure and chronic kidney disease, CKD, in certain individuals, making it an important treatment option for people with both diabetes and heart or kidney conditions. Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin, is taken once daily in the morning, preferably with food to help minimize stomach upset. Common side effects may include yeast infections, cold-like symptoms, and urinary tract infections, UTIs. Always take this medication as prescribed and follow up regularly with your healthcare provider to monitor your progress. What is Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin used for? Xigduo XR is primarily prescribed to improve blood sugar control in type 2 diabetes, T2D, help reduce the risk of heart failure progression and kidney function decline in eligible patients. By addressing both blood sugar management and cardiovascular health, Xigduo XR offers a dual benefit for people managing long-term complications of diabetes. How Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin works. Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin, combines two complementary mechanisms to control blood glucose effectively. Dapagliflozin, an SGLT2 inhibitor, lowers blood sugar by helping the kidneys remove excess glucose through urine. It also promotes the excretion of sodium and water, easing the workload on the heart and kidneys. Metformin, a biguanide, works by reducing the amount of glucose produced by the liver, limiting how much sugar the intestines absorb, and enhancing the body's insulin sensitivity, allowing insulin to work more efficiently. Together, these actions help maintain healthier blood sugar levels while supporting overall metabolic and cardiovascular health. What are the side effects of Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin? Like all medications, Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin, may cause side effects. Some of these are mild and may improve as your body adjusts to the medicine, while others can be more serious and require medical attention. It's important to speak with your healthcare provider if you experience any unusual or persistent symptoms while taking this medication. Common side effects of Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin. These are the most frequently reported side effects. Many are temporary and can often be managed with supportive care or adjustments in your treatment plan. Genital yeast infections, 4% to 9% redness, itching, and irritation in the genital area. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. About 6% pain or discomfort when urinating, frequent urination, or cloudy urine. Cold-like symptoms, 5% to 6% sore throat, nasal congestion, and runny nose. Diarrhea, 4% to 6%. Headache, 3% to 5%. Other possible side effects include nausea, constipation, back pain, dizziness, cough, and frequent urination. Serious side effects of Xigduo XR, dapagliflozin/metformin. Though rare, serious reactions can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any of the following warning signs. Lactic acidosis, a buildup of lactic acid in the blood. Symptoms include confusion, unusual weakness, fast or slow heartbeat, shortness of breath, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, or stomach pain. High ketone levels. Ketoacidosis symptoms include difficulty breathing, vomiting, abdominal pain, dry skin or mouth, extreme fatigue, or fruity-smelling breath. Severe kidney problems. Signs may include weakness, confusion, tiredness, or urinating less than usual. Dehydration. Symptoms include dizziness, lightheadedness, confusion, or dark-colored urine. Serious genital infection. Pain, swelling, redness in the genital area, fever, or weakness. Severe allergic reactions. Swelling of the face or throat, hives, or difficulty breathing. Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, is generally well tolerated when used as prescribed, but awareness of these potential side effects is essential for safe and effective use. Always inform your healthcare provider about any symptoms that concern you or interfere with daily activities. Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, dosage forms and strengths. Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, is available in extended-release tablet form, designed for once-daily oral use. The medication combines dapagliflozin and metformin in varying strengths to meet different treatment needs for individuals managing type 2 diabetes. Available strengths include 2.5 mg/1000 mg tablets, 5 mg/500 mg tablets, 10 mg/500 mg tablets, 5 mg/1000 mg tablets, 10 mg/1000 mg tablets. Each tablet is formulated to gradually release the medication throughout the day, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels while improving convenience for daily use. Average cost of Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin. The cost of Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, can vary depending on the strength, quantity, and available pharmacy discounts. As of the most recent pricing data, the average cost for 180 tablets of Xigduo XR 5 mg/1000 mg is approximately $1,730.10 when using a GoodRx coupon, representing about 18.5% off the typical retail price of $2,124.14. Typical dosage for Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin. The recommended dose of Xigduo XR varies based on your current diabetes treatment plan, kidney function, and overall health status. Your healthcare provider will determine the most appropriate starting dose for you. If you are new to dapagliflozin, the typical starting dose is 5 mg once daily by mouth. For individuals with heart failure or chronic kidney disease, CKD, the typical recommended dose of dapagliflozin is 10 mg once daily. The maximum daily dose of Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, is 10 mg/2000 mg, taken once daily with food. Taking Xigduo XR with meals can help minimize gastrointestinal side effects such as nausea or stomach upset. Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, contraindications. Certain medical conditions make Xigduo XR unsafe to use. These are known as contraindications, situations where the risks outweigh potential benefits. You should not take Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, if you have any of the following conditions: severe kidney problems or are on dialysis, metabolic acidosis, including diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, or lactic acidosis. Always inform your healthcare provider about your complete medical history before starting this medication. Proper screening helps ensure Xigduo XR is safe and effective for your condition. Pharmacist tips for Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin. Here are essential pharmacist-recommended tips to help you take Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, safely and effectively. 1. Take Xigduo XR exactly as prescribed. Swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water. Do not crush, cut, or chew the tablet, as this can interfere with the medication's extended-release properties and change how it works in your body. 2. Always take it with food, because the metformin in this medication can cause stomach discomfort, such as diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, or abdominal pain. It's best to take Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, with a meal to reduce the risk of these side effects. 3. Watch for signs of lactic acidosis. Seek immediate medical help if you experience nausea, difficulty breathing, unusual tiredness, or a racing heartbeat. These symptoms could indicate lactic acidosis, a rare but serious side effect that requires urgent treatment. 4. Be aware of symptoms of ketoacidosis. If you develop vomiting, fatigue, stomach pain, or fruity-smelling breath, stop taking Xigduo XR and contact your healthcare provider right away. These may be signs of ketoacidosis, a serious condition that can occur even when blood sugar levels aren't very high. 5. Limit or avoid alcohol. Drinking alcohol while taking Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, can lead to dangerously low blood sugar and increase the risk of lactic acidosis. If you drink, ask your healthcare provider about safe limits for alcohol consumption during treatment. 6. Prevent infections through good hygiene. Because this medication can increase your risk of genital yeast infections and urinary tract infections, UTIs, practice good hygiene and stay hydrated. Notify your doctor if you experience genital itching, burning during urination, discharge, or blood in your urine. 7. Inform your doctor before surgery or medical fasting. If you're scheduled for major surgery or need to fast, tell your healthcare provider in advance. They may ask you to pause Xigduo XR temporarily to lower the risk of high acid levels in the blood. After your procedure, follow up with your doctor before restarting your medication. 8. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. For best results, combine Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, with a balanced diet and regular exercise. These lifestyle habits help keep your blood sugar under control and support long-term heart and kidney health. 9. Don't worry if you see a tablet-like mass in your stool. Sometimes, the empty shell of the extended-release tablet may pass through your stool. This is normal and harmless. It's simply the inactive part of the medication. 10. Talk to your prescriber if you are pregnant or planning pregnancy. Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, may not be safe to use during pregnancy. Consult your healthcare provider for alternative treatment options to manage diabetes safely while pregnant. Final thoughts. Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, is an effective treatment option for managing type 2 diabetes, but taking it correctly and knowing potential side effects are key to getting the best results. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions and report any unusual symptoms promptly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HeInfo, your trusted source for science-backed, reliable health information. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next video about diabetes medications and healthy living tips. And if you've taken Xigduo XR, Dapagliflozin/Metformin, share your experience in the comments below to help others on their health journey.